Hello, this is your Florida College Oratory Union Team Secretary Jenny West, and I'm going to show you a little bit on how to flow a debate. So as you noticed, I've already separated my sheet of paper into 6 different sections, and that signifies the Prime Minister, the Leader of Opposition, the Member of Government, the Member of Opposition, then the Leader of Opposition again, and the Prime Minister once again. And when everybody gets up to speak, you use these columns to flow or track their arguments. So, for example, if the Prime Minister gets up there and says 1, 2, and 3 with a couple of subpoints, you write that down. Then when the Leader of Opposition gets up there, if he starts to directly address the Prime Minister's points, you're going to write them down in a flow next to it. Most of the time you're going to want to do it in different colors so it's easier to track. And then if the opposition brings up their own points, you can just go ahead and track them at a different place. And you're going to continue flowing where the arguments go and tracking them to make sure you're keeping track of where the debate is going. That's typically what a flow would look like for a polished debater, but I'm going to show you what my flow generally looks like. Yeah, it's a mess. What I do is I will circle or outline points and I will draw lines to connect them. A lot of times you'll see right here I have written LOL. If I don't necessarily think it's a good point, I'll ask questions like where's your inherency, just stuff like this so I can keep track in my mind, because this makes sense in my mind. It may not look quite like the normal flow, but I can keep track of a debate usually pretty well like this, and that's how you flow a debate.